after we've played that first main riff twice, let's say, start adding eighth notes in your left hand. The pattern is going to be the same, but you have more rhythm happening. So the left hand is going to be doing this kind of thing. So you have two measures of C, which means 16 C's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F, 2, 3, 4. And then G for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So another way to count this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, so now if we add the right hand back in there, we have 2 C's first, and then our first G chord. So 1, 2. So then every 3 you're having another chord for the first 4 chords. So that's going to sound like this. So let's go over those chords. So you have G, G, B, D, then you have a C chord, which will be played G, C, E. Both of them with your 1, 3, and 5 fingers. Then you're moving to an F chord, F, A, C. So those 3 chords. And then another F, A, C. Now we're moving on to the next thing. So you have 2 more C's, and then you're hitting a G on that second one. G, B, D, and then 2 more C's, and then playing 3 more C's. So that little part is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 underneath a C chord, G, C, E, and then 2 underneath an F chord. And I'm talking about my left hand. And then you're moving down to a different F, C, F, A, and you're changing your left hand. So that's going to play 2, and then 2 under a C chord, C, E, G, also with your 1, 3, and 5, 2 more Fs. And then you're switching to a G with your left hand, and C, D, G with your right, which is sort of a G sus chord with 5 G's underneath of it. So that last little bit sounds like this. So from the beginning it sounds like this. Alright, in the next part, you're moving up an octave. So we were down here on this area. Now we're moving up here to this area. And your first 4 chords are F chords, F, A, C, with your 1, 3, and 5 fingers. So the way you want to think about this is in sets of 3, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you're moving down to a C chord, C, E, G with 1, 3, and 5. And then you're moving down to an F chord again. And now we're down the octave back where we were. If we start back at the beginning here, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And we move down to another F after another count of 3, 1, 2, 3. But this is an inversion, so C, F, A, still with 1, 3, and 5. And then you have another one after 2 counts, and then after 3 counts you have E and G with 3 and 5, and then C, D, G after 2 more counts with 1, 2, and 5 for a G sus, G suspended. So from the beginning we have this for the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we put it all together, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.